tree. Assalamu alaikum, miss. My name is Anrish Rida. My father name is Sayyid Saheed. Birds can fly. Birds can fly. Birds can fly up in the sky, and I can fly too. Frog can jump. Frog can jump very, very high, and I can jump too.
बतख को क्या बोलते हैं?
Duck can
स्विम.
swim. Duck can swim deep in the water, and I can swim too. Dog can walk. Dog can walk on the ground, and I can walk too. Horse can run. Horse can run. I
In
in the
forest.
forest forests, and I can run too.
Bounce.
Bounce can hop. Bounce can hop on the grass, and I can hop too. Assalamu alaikum, miss.